Alrighty, guys. So y'all remember the white Charger I diagnosed? Watch this video right here. I diagnosed a while back. It's been out here for like a month. Yeah, this one had the low compression, and we had, oh yeah, I tore it down. Yeah, y'all remember this van, this Charger? Well, guess what, guys? They finally approved it. So we got an engine on the way, a whole complete 3.6 Pentastar engine. I'm trying to recollect what I found. I think. That's not. All right, let me go over one. Ain't nothing out of number one. Hold on, don't go to hold on. Let me go over to number 5. All right, go ahead now. Yeah, it ain't my gauge. I got some in 5. Number 1 totally dead. All right, I'm done. I really need to remove this valve cover, cause that camshaft can be broken.
Yeah.
It's snapped in half.
Either it can be broken or just the lobes are worn completely out.
Oh, rocker arm broken, yeah, and this ain't that hard to do. Let me yank this plenum off in this valve cover. I removed the valve cover. I have to watch the video myself, but anyway, this is the same car because it's been sitting here for the last month, and I left it like this. I didn't know whether they was gonna fix it or have a tow truck come get it, but it's too risky to attempt repairs for. I think it had low compression. No, because low compression can be fixed by a simple head. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to watch the video myself, but my point is, they didn't want to gamble with it, so they sold the guy a complete engine. And the engine is on the way, so y'all stay tuned for that footage. I love yanking these out. They're a piece of cake, man. Unbolted from the transmission, you home city. All right, guys, that's all I have. All right, guys, check this out. This is the Challenger 50 edition Scat Pack. This is just a regular 392, but guys, these brakes, you're getting brakes all the way around, right? From what I'm hearing, these brake pads as well as the rotors are super expensive. Now nobody's really trying to resurface these rotors. Look at that. Yeah, well, I don't even think we have the cone to go in here. Not only that, you don't want to be resurfacing nothing. You don't want to be resurfacing this. That's why I think they're required to replace them actually. But look at the lip right here. Yeah, so he creates a lip. What's an old pad at? Let me see something. Yeah, it definitely needed. That pad is wore out. I guess, you know, anything with power such as this vehicle have to be able to stop, right? So that's likely the reason for the big brake setup. That pad is gone. I want to know. I'm curious to know how much this rotor costs. I mean, at the end of the day, it's still a typical brake job. You know, you remove the caliper, remove the rotor, compress the piston or push the piston in. It's the same typical setup the way it happens. It's just the amount of, yeah, look at the wheels on here. So this thing have to be able to stop. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that caliper. The rear is probably likely the same, yeah. Yeah, they doing it up. He getting a 4-wheel brake job. Anybody want to guesstimate how much this costs? That is crazy, man. Hey, it be like that sometime. But you need them. Okay, and I don't know anybody just do front brakes and rear brakes later. They typically do them all at the same time. So look at the size of those wheels. Yep. Alright, that's it, guys. Just want y'all to take a look at the size of this brake hardware. Alright. Welcome, man. Used car department. Hey, I see you. We got some parts for something. What is going on back here? Whoa. Hey, is this? It's the beauty of a car right here, guys. Somebody traded in a Hemi? A Dodge Charger with a Hemi? What did they get? How can you top this? What is happening down here, guys? Alright, somebody got some trim stuff going on around here. Who on earth would trade in a Charger RT, guys? Inquiring minds want to know. And why? Nice wheels. Yeah, they hurry up and put this back on the lot. Try to take a peek up there. What y'all see? Can't hardly see. I don't know what that thing, what has it got in it? It's a Hemi, but what kind? I don't know. What we got here? It's a funny looking car. Alright, you might want to take a stab at this. Alrighty. I cannot take a stab at it. But y'all see that, right? Is that a good enough clue? You car guys, hey, look at how beauty this is. This is a beauty. 4-door, guys. 4-door sedan. Is it roomy? Ooh, look at the pretty leather. Look at that entertainment system. That is nice. Alfa Romeo. Alrighty. Who is running around? Was it a trade-in? Yes, no plates. Who traded in an Alfa Romeo? Alrighty. I wonder if they test drove it already. Typical, I don't know, V6 maybe? I see 2 banks. So it's either a V8 or a V6. This is Chrysler Lextronics, I want to say. Or it's the same Lextronics as my scan too probably will work in this car is what I'm getting at. I don't know. Look how they cover off the radiators and condensers and things like that. I still didn't get to find out what a key is. The key would tell me everything I need to know, and I bet they got the key. They don't leave the keys out. Normally, yeah, it just says that. So maybe it's typical, just an Alfa Romeo car. What kind of? I don't know. Y'all, anybody know what kind of? All right, we'll figure this out at a later date. For now, this is nice. Hi guys.